Hey, it's Justin, and today we're going to be opening up the Patriot Power Cell. Pretty excited about it, so without further ado, let's get to it. Now, the Patriot Power Cell is pretty cool because obviously it's solar powered. So, what do we got? So we have some mailers, nice catalog, looks interesting. Packing list, always helpful. And looks like a coupon, a gift certificate. Ooh. So we've got a nice little box that it comes in. Looks like a micro USB charging cord, always good. Little carabiner guy, compass on it. The unit itself and the user guide. So what do we have in the unit itself? Let's see. I like the shape of it. It's designed to fit in your hand, I feel. There's like the little indents, gives it a nice grip. Feels pretty sturdy. And the rubberized grip also is impact resistant as well as water resistant. We've got this little strobe light on the back. You pull the tab off and it shows you the 2 USB charging ports. So there's a micro USB input, so you can charge it from the wall, or it's got the solar panel as well, so you can charge the sun for free. I've been all over Afghanistan and Iraq. I did 5 years in the Air Force and then 2 years as a contractor. I would have loved this guy overseas because, yeah, it's just so handy. Just plop it outside, plop it in the sun in the window. Leave it charging the wall, and you have peace of mind. You always know you're gonna have power.
Claim your Patriot Power Cells now.